Hi everyone, this is Susie, still part of my Christmas series. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today I was doing a red ribbon Christmas tree. A lot of red ribbons in there. Just a little inspiration for everybody. This is all part of my Christmas series. And I added these sparkle lights I got at Walmart. Just wrap them in and around the tree. Give you some real pretty light. At night it twinkles. We can see them going off a little bit in there. And join me for my Christmas challenge. We got little Santa over here and some berries and a few packages and a pretty little artificial plants in a planter just to set it off a little bit. And that's still the tree from Dollar Tree. I got two together, I intertwined. And I'll put a link below and above of where I showed you how I did that with my elf tree. And I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me. Bye-bye for now.